Ever pondered about a place on Earth that resembles the fiery pits of hell? Well, such a place does exist. It's a real-life enigma that lies nestled in the heart of the desert, a place known as the Derways Crater, or as many prefer to call it, the door to hell. Now, this isn't some fantastical creation from a Hollywood movie, nor is it a product of mythical folklore. The Derways Crater is a genuine geographical marvel located in one of the most barren and remote places on Earth, the Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan. It's a place where the Earth has been ripped open, revealing an ever-burning inferno that creates a stark and arresting contrast to the surrounding sandy wilderness. From a distance, the Derways Crater seems like an illusion, a mirage perhaps, caused by the sweltering desert sun. But as you edge closer, the fiery glow becomes more pronounced, the heat more intense, and the reality of this burning chasm becomes undeniable. The sheer magnitude of this fiery abyss, coupled with its relentless, unquenchable flames, paints a vivid picture of what we'd imagine the entrance to the underworld would look like. But the Derways Crater is far from being a gateway to the netherworld. It's a testament to the power of nature, its unpredictability, and its ability to create scenes of astonishing beauty and terrifying wonder in equal measure. It's a spectacle that has been burning brightly for over 4 decades, a constant reminder of the Earth's volatile nature and our enduring fascination with the unknown. This fiery spectacle, the Derways Crater, is not just a geological curiosity. It's a symbol of the relentless power of nature, a stark reminder of the Earth's hidden mysteries, and a beacon that draws the curious, the brave, and the intrepid from every corner of the globe. So, are you intrigued by this enigmatic fiery abyss? Are you eager to learn more about the Derways Crater and its fiery allure? Well, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we unravel the enigmatic tale of the Derways Crater. So, how did this fiery crater come to be, one might wonder? Well, let's delve into the intriguing birth of this beast, the Derways Crater, a tale of human endeavor and unintended consequences. The year was 1971. Deep in the Karakum Desert, Soviet geologists were on a mission. They were in search of oil and gas, resources that this part of the world was known to possess in abundance. Their drilling rigs pierced the earth, boring deep into the desert floor, hungry for the riches below. However, the ground beneath them was not as stable as they had assumed. As they drilled, a pocket of natural gas, a cavernous void, collapsed under the weight of their equipment. The drilling rig and camp disappeared into a gaping hole, creating a crater 70 meters wide and 20 meters deep. But the drama didn't end there. The collapse of the gas pocket released vast quantities of methane into the atmosphere. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas, is over 20 times more effective at trapping heat in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide. The geologists found themselves faced with a significant environmental dilemma. The solution they devised was as bold as it was drastic. To prevent the methane from further polluting the atmosphere, they decided to set the crater on fire. They believed the fire would burn out within a few weeks once all the methane was consumed. However, their estimation was off by quite a bit. The gas pocket turned out to be much larger than they had anticipated. The fire they had lit roared into life, consuming the methane and turning the crater into a blazing inferno. The flames leapt into the sky, casting an eerie glow that could be seen for miles around. They hoped it would burn out soon, but days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. Thus, the door to hell was born, and it has been burning ever since. The Derways Crater, a stark reminder of the unpredictability of nature and the consequences of human intervention, continues to burn over half a century later. Imagine a hole in the ground as big as a football field and it's on fire. Sounds unreal, doesn't it? Yet that's the bewitching reality of the Derways Crater, a fiery spectacle nestled in the heart of Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert. This enormous inferno, also known as the Gates of Hell, is truly a sight to behold. Its scale is staggering. Picture 70 meters, about the length of a football field, stretching out in front of you. Now, imagine this expanse as a deep, gaping hole, reaching down some 20 meters into the earth. That's the size of the Derways Crater. But it's not just the size that's breathtaking. The relentless flames that dance within its belly are what truly set this crater apart. This is no ordinary hole in the ground. It's a blazing cauldron, constantly alight with roaring flames that lick the edges and reach out into the desert night. The glow is so intense, so mesmerizing, that it can be seen for miles around. As day turns into night, the spectacle becomes even more eerie. The fire, against the backdrop of the dark desert sky, casts an otherworldly glow, painting a surreal picture that's both captivating and slightly unsettling. The flames flicker and twist, casting long, dancing shadows that add to the enigma. The heat, too, is something to reckon with. Stand too close, and the intense warmth is palpable, a constant reminder of the untamed power that lies beneath the Earth's surface. Yet it's this very raw, untamed energy that draws people in, like moths to a flame. The Derwaza crater is more than just a geological wonder. It's a testament to the raw, unbridled power of nature. It's a spectacle that commands respect and awe, a phenomenon that's equally captivating and terrifying. It's no wonder that this fiery spectacle has sparked curiosity and fear in equal measure. But what's the impact of a never-ending fire on the environment, you might ask? Well, let's delve into what this fiery phenomenon means for our planet. The Derwaza crater, also known as the door to hell, is a significant source of methane emissions. Methane, as you may know, is a potent greenhouse gas, over 25 times more effective at trapping heat in our atmosphere than carbon dioxide. This continuous burning of methane at Derwaza crater contributes to the warming of our planet, adding to the daunting issue of global climate change. While the flames of the crater are mesmerizing to behold, they represent a constant stream of greenhouse gas emissions that we can't ignore. But it's not just the global scale we need to consider. The impact on the local environment is also significant. The intense heat and toxic gases produced by the crater can influence local ecosystems, potentially disrupting the delicate balance of life in the surrounding desert. Wildlife near the crater have to adapt to these harsh conditions or risk perishing. The heat and gases can alter the vegetation in the area, affecting the food chain and overall biodiversity. It's a ripple effect that can lead to substantial changes in the local ecosystem over time, with potential consequences that we're still trying to fully understand. Moreover, the door to hell is a visual testament to the lasting scars human activities can leave on our environment. It's a stark example of how a single mistake, an error in judgment, can result in an environmental disaster that lasts for decades. In essence, the Derwaza crater serves as a metaphorical and literal burning reminder of the long-term impact of our actions. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? So the next time you see images of the mesmerizing flames of the door to hell, remember what they signify. The door to hell is not just a tourist attraction. It's a stark reminder of the consequences of human error on our environment. So, what's the legacy of this fiery pit in the heart of Turkmenistan, you might ask? Let's delve into the fascinating influence the Derwaza crater has had on local culture and its evolution into a tourist attraction. Often referred to as the door to hell, the crater is a beacon of intrigue, attracting the curiosity of locals and tourists alike. It's a spectacle that has woven itself into the fabric of local folklore. The mystique surrounding this burning pit has given birth to countless tales, from mythical beasts residing in its fiery depths to it being a gateway to the underworld itself. This folklore has permeated the local culture, adding a layer of mystery and allure to this already captivating phenomenon. Over the years, the crater's tourist potential began to emerge. Its unique, otherworldly aura started drawing in visitors from across the globe, eager to witness its mesmerizing flame. What was once a geological mistake has transformed into a symbol of intrigue, a testament to the power and unpredictability of nature. Initially, the government viewed the crater as an environmental misstep, an anomaly to be concealed. Attempts were made to close it, to erase the evidence of a miscalculation. However, as the crater's allure grew, the government's perspective shifted. They began to recognize its potential as a tourist magnet, a unique attraction that could put Turkmenistan on the global tourism map. Today, the government promotes the Derwaza crater as a must-see destination. Efforts have been made to improve access and provide facilities for visitors, transforming this fiery pit into a thriving tourist spot. The crater has become an integral part of Turkmenistan's identity, a fiery symbol that's as captivating as it is bewildering. The Derweze crater, the door to hell, continues to burn, a fiery testament to a mistake and a marvel that draws the curious from around the world. It's a legacy that's as intriguing as the crater itself, a tale of transformation from a geological blunder to a beacon of fascination.